Hey, James with Detailed Image. Swirls and scratches are the eyesore of automotive paint. They are imperfections that reduce the luster and glow and can take hours to remove through polishing, but you'd be surprised how easily they can form. So where do swirls and scratches come from in the first place? Let's start with the most common misconception, the tunnel wash. The tunnel wash in theory is designed to remove dirt from the car, but in reality is rubbing that dirt into the finish with the brushes, thus creating swirls and scratches. An improper hand wash can be just as devastating. Without proper lubrication and wash media, again, you're just rubbing that dirt into the paint. Another thing I see often is paint being wiped down with dusters and towels. Yes, this does remove the dust, but at the expense of rubbing it into the paint. My last point is this: paint is delicate, don't touch it. By grabbing the paint and placing things on the finish, you're 100% going to create swirls and scratches.